Tired of seeing dirt and grime on your laminate floors? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. Let's kick things off with the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. Priced at $159.99, this all-in-one cleaner caught my attention because of its unique scrubbing feature. If you want an efficient way to sanitize while scrubbing away tough stains, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 3 steam modes, ensuring you can choose the right setting for light cleanups, daily use, or those stubborn spots. The powerful LED headlights help you spot hidden debris that could be lurking around your home. Plus, with over 150 scrubs per minute, the automatic scrubbing pods do the hard work for you, making cleanup feel effortless. Now, some users have pointed out that the mop can be a bit bulky in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have larger areas to clean, this might actually speed things up, whereas those with smaller living spaces might find it cumbersome. This is perfect for you if you have a big home with lots of sealed hard floors. Skip this one if you need something super compact for small apartments. At this price point, you get a powerful cleaner that justifies the investment with its advanced features.
Product number 2. The Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop. Available for $109.99. I was impressed by its steam blaster technology, which gives you a burst of steam on demand. If you want quick and effective cleaning, this one's definitely worth considering. With its lightweight design at under 5 pounds, maneuvering around furniture is a breeze. It offers 3 steam modes too, so you can choose between light cleanups or deep cleans depending on your needs. The removable water tank means you won't have to constantly refill, which is a major time saver. Plus, it sanitizes without chemicals, removing 99.9% of common bacteria, which is fantastic if you're concerned about using harsh products around your family. Some users mentioned that the steam only lasts for a short period before needing a refill, but here's the deal. With the removable tank, refilling is quick and easy, so it doesn't become a major inconvenience. This is perfect for busy households needing quick cleaning solutions. Skip this if you have extensive areas to cover without breaks, but for regular maintenance, it's a solid value.
Product number 3, the Shark Steam Mop, which is priced at a budget-friendly $69.99. What stood out to me was its quick steam readiness, just 30 seconds. If you want a fast and effective cleaner without breaking the bank, this is a great option. This steam mop is designed for all sealed hard floors and uses steam to sanitize, meaning you're not left with any chemical residue. With a sleek design and swivel steering, it navigates tight spaces easily, which is crucial if your home is filled with furniture. It also comes with machine washable pads, so you can keep costs down over time. However, some reviews mentioned it doesn't have the scrubbing power of more expensive models, but honestly, for everyday maintenance and quick spills, it's more than adequate, especially considering its price point. This is perfect for those on a budget who still want a reliable cleaning tool. Skip this if you need heavy-duty scrubbing, but for regular upkeep, it's such a steal.
Product number 4, Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster Technology. Moving on to the Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster technology, this one's also priced at $159.99. I really appreciated the combination of features like the targeted steam blast that tackles stubborn stains. If you want a cleaner that makes tough jobs feel easy, you'll want to check this out. It features the same automatic scrubbing mechanism as the first product, delivering over 150 scrubs per minute. The 3 steam modes give you flexibility, and the LED headlights are a lifesaver for spotting missed dirt. It also boasts a removable water tank so you can clean longer without interruptions. On the downside, some users found that it can take up time during initial setup, but here's the thing. Once you get it going, the performance makes it worth your while, especially for those challenging messes. This is perfect for families with kids or pets. Skip it if you're looking for something ultra simple without all the features, but if you want power and versatility, it won't disappoint. Product number 5, Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert. Priced at $119.99, it's a corded spin mop that caught my eye for its deep cleaning capabilities without scrubbing. If you want a machine that lifts tough messes without the hard work, this one's a strong contender. The Spinwave features powerful machine-powered scrubbing pads that tackle sticky spills and tough stains effortlessly. It's safe for all sealed floors, which is fantastic if you have a mix of wood and tile. Plus, the on-demand targeted spray means you can apply cleaning solution exactly where you need it, reducing waste. One downside is that it's corded, which limits mobility. But look, if you're okay with the cord, the cleaning power it delivers is impressive, especially for deep cleaning sessions. This is perfect for those who want a no-scrub solution for tough messes. Skip it if you need something portable for quick cleanups, but for a thorough clean, it's definitely worth the price. We've looked at 5 impressive cleaning machines for laminate floors. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop because of its scrubbing power and flexibility. Avoid the Shark Steam Mop if you need something with serious scrubbing capabilities, as it's better for light cleanups.